Hey, welcome back to Rusty Bow. Seth's Sawtooth Fighting Stick is in the grinding sanding phase, and I still have to put the file in the saw teeth and all that, and it's still a heavy beast, so it's not near ready yet. So, but that's not going to be touching the forge again until it's done. So, until that's done, I'll be making other stuff. Stay tuned. Okay, these are the two pieces we're going to make today's arrowhead out of. Now this valve, the head is smaller than the last one I used to make an arrowhead, but that's just fine. It'll work fine. And this is a broken piece of a tine off a flat tined pitchfork. And it's good high carbon steel, so that'll serve to give it a good edge and point. So, all right, let's get started. Well, it just goes to show that you don't always know what kind of steel you're working with. And as a valve, it probably was an alloy of some sort. Could have been that I didn't normalize it, but I don't think that's the case here. I think it's just that it was an alloy, and I'm treating it like it's just regular old carbon steel. So, but we're gonna work with what's left of it and make an arrowhead out of that. That's easy enough to do. I'm pretty sure that the rest of it will be okay. Okay, so since that didn't work, we're going to take the remains of the valve that I used for the arrowhead that did work a few videos back, and this piece of steel that was like delaminated from a project that I had been working on. I think it was the axe, the barter axe. So I don't know how many layers this is, but what the hell? Let's turn this into an arrowhead, because that's good hard steel. I know that.
Yeah, it's really that.
Just looks like a lump now, but you just wait. Hang on to it, stupid. Not too. Jesus. I'm hanging on to it. Okay, here is the Arrowhead after I've had it on the sander. And show you the other side real quick. Now the obvious thing here is the seam, but the seam is not deep at all. Not worried about it. This was a discarded piece of Delam from, I believe it was the barter axe. So I don't think it's any more than like a dozen layers. But I wanted to not waste it and see what I can make out of it. So, you know, out of my 3 attempts to make an Arrowhead today, I think this one's going to work out. So I'm going to clay it up and heat treat it, and then we'll put it on the shaft. Okay, it's clayed. Let's get this heat treated. Okay, here is the Arrowhead after heat treating. So we'll put some sandpaper to it and clean it up and see what that temper line looks like. Okay, I achieved what I wanted here. As you can see, if you look closely, there's a Hammond temper line, and see, so it worked. And waiting for the glue to dry, so on the threads there. So I'll test this in a little bit, but looks like the Arrowhead is a success. Well, let's go look at that. Okay, let's see what we got here. Where did it land? Ah, there we go. Look at that. It's not bullseye, but you know what? It flew true. Very good. Onto that. That. Where, oh where did it land? Oh, there it is. Didn't hit the target, but it hit the stack. Well, let's go look at that. All right, let's see what we got. Well, you know, that's pretty good. We'll take that. If I could make all of my arrows a sensible size, they'd all shoot like this. And let's go look at that. There it is. Hey, thanks for hanging out. Third time's the charm, right? First 2 attempts were spectacularly bad, but now I have probably no more than 12 layers, something like that. Another arrow for the Quiver of Doom, made out of a discarded piece of Delam from another project. So didn't have to waste that. Get something cool out of it. And I didn't have to work on Seth's billet, because that's now on the sander, and that's on another track. And next time we see that, it'll be back in for 1 quench, I expect. So. All right, hope you had a good week and you're enjoying what's left of the fall before winter. And you stay well. Be good.